guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot believe that it is 2019. I swear it was just 2018 and 2019 has just punched me in the face. Today we are going to talk about my workout schedule. I asked y'all in the last video if you wanted to see kind of how I schedule my workouts for the week, and you guys wanted to see that, so here we are. I do have some really exciting news. I have actually just launched my 12-week Be the Best You New Year's Challenge. My Be the Best You 12-week New Year's Challenge is a challenge where you get to work with me one-on-one for 12 weeks, and I will send you personalized workouts, I will send you personalized calories and macros, and I will help keep you accountable. And basically, I am here to help you reach your goals and make sure that 2019 is the year that you can finally say that I am the best me possible. If you want to check out my challenge and my online personal training, I will have the link right down below. Signups do close January 4th though at midnight. Spots are limited, so make sure that you sign up as soon as possible because, like I said, spots are limited. So that is that. I'm super excited. Now let's just jump right into this video. I work out Monday through Friday, and sometimes, keyword there is sometimes, I work out on Saturday. Monday workout is always going to be my leg day. I train legs 3 times a week, and my legs are the most stubborn area on my body to grow. I like to start out my leg days with at least 3 to 4 compound movements. Compound movements or compound exercises are going to be exercises or movements where you're using more than one joint and more than one muscle group. I always start out my lifts with really heavy compound movements, especially with my legs. In 2019, I'm really focusing on growing muscle, growing my mass back that I did lose. Doing heavy lifts and heavy movements is how you will build not only your legs, but other muscle groups in your body. Now, if you want to get that nice big old peach that we all are chasing for, at least that I'm chasing for, you have to lift heavy. When I'm done with my compound movements, I move right into isolation movements. So isolation movements are basically what the name says. They are isolating that specific group. I will do 2 to 3 isolation movements after my compound movements. On leg days, I try to do 3 to 4 sets of each workout, and your sets are going to be the number of times you perform that workout. So on my heavy days, I try to aim for 4 sets, but on those 4 sets, I make sure that my reps or repetitions are a lot lower because the weight I am lifting is really heavy. So repetitions are going to be the number of times that you perform that exercise within a set. On my heavy leg days, I will do 3 or 4 sets of 4 to 5 repetitions. Moving on to Tuesday, Tuesday is going to be my back day. I love training back. I used to hate training back, and I used to neglect my back a ton, but if you really want to get that nice hourglass shape, train your back. Do not neglect your back. I don't specifically just train my back on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, it is going to be back, triceps, and a core day for me. So I'm doing 3 different muscle groups in one day. My back grows pretty quickly, just my whole upper body in general. So I only train back 1 time a week, and that is enough for me. I will do the same thing. I will do 3 to 4, sometimes 5 compound movements, and then I'll do 3 to 4 isolation movements. Because I am trying to build up muscle all over my body, my sets and repetitions are gonna be about the same as they were on Monday. So I'll do 3 to 4 sets of 4 to 5 repetitions. I used to train my core all the time, and I realized that training your core every single day is not good. That's how you overwork your muscles, that's how you can injure yourself. But something that is very important when it comes to your core and your abdominals, they are made in the kitchen. So you want to make sure to fuel your body with good food and healthy food. Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday. That is hump day. Good old hump day. This is going to be my leg day number 2. Leg day number 2, I change it up from leg day number 1. I will still do a couple of the same basic compound movements such as squats, deadlifts, or hip thrust. I will not do the same exact workout that I did on Monday just because I want to mix things up, and that way it's more fun for me and I don't get bored in the gym. But I always make sure that I am at least doing squats or hip thrust in my leg day workout. And I personally have noticed the most gain when I do hip thrusts. So hip thrusts are literally a workout staple every single leg day. My leg day workouts are probably going to be the longest workouts of the week that I do. My workouts are usually 45 minutes and that's about it. But on leg day, they're about an hour to an hour and 15, just because I am lifting so much heavier than the rest of my body on the other days, and I get really fatigued. So I take a longer rest time between my workouts and between the exercises. So instead of taking a 1 to 2 minute break between each exercise, I'll sometimes do a 3-minute break, just depending on how I feel. Thursday. Oh, Thursday. Thursday is my shoulder, bicep, and core day. I love training shoulders, but I hate how painful training shoulders can be. Thursdays though, I will focus primarily on my shoulders. I will do about 4 compound movements and 2 isolation exercises or movements for my shoulders, just because my upper body does blow up very quickly. And once I'm done with my shoulders, that's when I will do 2 to 3 bicep exercises. My biceps, they grow really fast, and if I train biceps like 2 or 3 times during the week, oh man, I would look like Popeye. Once I'm done training shoulders and biceps, that's when I'll go into core workout number 2, and I like to change up my core workout from the previous core workout. I always change up my core workout from the previous workout. That way I don't get bored, like I've already said, and it also helps my muscles so they don't get bored and they get used to the same movements. Friday. This day is the day where I kind of interchange my workouts depending on how I feel. If my legs have recovered from Monday and Wednesday, this will be leg day number 3. Yes, I train legs sometimes 3 times a week, just because, again, my legs are a huge problem area for me where they do not grow. So I really have to push those muscles. And on this day, my weight is gonna still be heavy, but not as heavy as it was on Monday and Wednesday. So I'll kind of lower my weight, but when I lower my weight, I'll also lower my sets. So instead of doing 3 to 4 sets, I'll just do 3 sets, and I'll higher my repetitions to 10 to 12 repetitions per exercise. I'll still do 3 to 4 compound movements and 2 to 3, sometimes 4 isolation movements, but the weight's gonna be decreased just a little bit and the reps are gonna be increased just a tad bit. If my legs are completely shot from Monday and Wednesday's workout, I will do a full body circuit on Friday. A full body workout is what it basically is. You're gonna be using every single muscle group and you're gonna be working your entire body. Sometimes, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll do a full body circuit, and that's how I kind of get my cardio in. And during my full body workout or my full body circuit workouts, I make sure that I'm hitting shoulders, back, legs, glutes, everything, bis, tris, core, everything. I personally do not train chest because I do have my port from my surgeries and from the cancer, and when I do train chest, I notice that it kind of pulls at my port. It is very uncomfortable, so I personally stay away from chest. But Fridays, on those full body days, I'm making sure I am hitting every single muscle group at least once. Sometimes I will do 2 workouts per muscle group, and I will incorporate some cardio if I'm not doing a circuit. If I'm doing a full body circuit, I will do 3 sets of this circuit with no rest in between each exercise, and will only take a 1 to 2 minute rest once every exercise is complete. Saturday. Sometimes I go to the gym, sometimes I don't. I do not force myself to go to the gym during the weekends if I am not feeling up to it. If my body is completely wrecked from the 5 days that I trained, then I'm not gonna feel bad about missing the gym on Saturday. But if I do feel like I can get to the gym, I will go to the gym on Saturday just to do cardio. I will do low intensity cardio, and what I'll do is I'll usually either walk on the treadmill, do the stair stepper, or I'll get on the bike. So if I'm doing the treadmill, I'll crank up the treadmill to 10 to 15 degree incline, and then I'll walk on the treadmill at a speed of 2.5 to 3 miles an hour. Sunday. Sunday is the day that I literally don't even think about going to the gym. I'm just like, who's the gym? Gym who? I don't know the gym. Sunday is the day that I don't even go to the gym whatsoever. The only time I actually think about the gym is when I'm writing my workout plan for that week. But other than that, Sunday is my day off from the gym. There's no gym happening on Sunday. But I like to just give my body some time to relax and recover from the intense workouts that I have put it through. If you don't let your body rest and recover, it's very, very dangerous. You can injure yourself in the gym. You can pass out in the gym, because I've actually seen people pass out in the gym because they did not rest and recover long enough. And it's just something that you don't want to do to your body. So always give yourself some rest. It's okay to take rest. Do not feel guilty about it. So that is my workout schedule. I work out, like I said, 5 days a week, sometimes 6 days a week. I have found a balance that works great for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are interested in training with me in the Be the Best You 12-week New Year's challenge, click the link down below. Leave a comment if you have any questions or any of that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year. Love you. Bye.